Hey, this is me again. This time I wanted to show off my car that I bought Saturday the 13th, June the 13th. This is a sweet little ride. I don't know how good. Ah, look at that. Yeah. She's a 2000 Volkswagen Jetta. Yeah. Jetta. Well, there's my house. Front of my house. There's my daughter over by my husband's truck. And there's my husband. Yeah. They're getting ready to shoot off fireworks tonight. It's a day early. See, my stepdaughter's also here with her boyfriend and some little kid, friend of hers. Friend, belongs to a friend of hers. There's my stepdaughter, Nicole. See, there's Jackson, I think his name is. Boy. Well, okay. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm here at the car. This is one thing I wanted to show. See? Okay, I forgot the car freshener. But I wanted to show off Quit Swinging. Yeah. My Blair Witch stick figure that I have hung from every car I've had since I made it myself back in October 2000. It's the same model as my car. See, I hang it from my rearview mirror. See? See, I don't have much memorabilia, but this one I made myself. So, see? Matches my tattoo. See, let me show my tattoo. Yeah, we're seeing it upside down. My cat scarred my leg too, right over my tattoo. It's never went away. Anyway. See, I saw me in the window. You guys saw me. She don't never come out. Ooh, evil eyes. There she is. It's my stepdaughter carrying on. I think Juliet caught me filming her and went back in the house. Well, anyway, I'm going to step way back. Show you one last shot at my baby. Yeah. Yeah. I haven't named her yet. So, if anybody can think of one, feel free to let me know. Okay. Well, see you later. Bye.